Hello everyone, for Thursday, March 3rd, I'm Kat and welcome to Around the Penny. It's been an eventful week for many of the stocks we've covered so far, and today was no exception. So let's dig right into all the latest penny stock news and take a walk around the penny. We open with our winners, and first up is Cord Blood America, symbol CBAI. This stem cell preservation company had a nice rally of just over 26% on nearly 95 million shares. Traders were hoping the equity would reach the 2-cent range today, but this was far from reality. The company issued a press release this morning announcing a modified reverse stock split. They will now reduce the reverse split ratio from 500 to 1 down to 100 to 1. Next up, Aptech Corporation, symbol APCX, which has been bullish and bearish all week, remaining quite volatile. They have been in both the winners and losers section this week. Luckily for them, they are in the winners circle today. This mobile application maker ended the day rising close to 56% on over 357 million shares. No news out to explain the rally, just a nice move to the upside. Our final winner of the day is Elysium Internet, symbol EYSM. Traders were happy to see the equity climb 20% on a volume of roughly 149 million shares. Their online search engine, thedirectory.com, has been posting solid revenues for the past month, and it seems like their stock is following suit. They have jumped up over 700% in a span of 2 weeks. Moving on to today's less fortunate equities, first up is O2 Secure Wireless Inc., symbol OTOW. At the end of the day, the stock was down over 26% on nearly 69 million shares. O2 is an internet communications company that provides high-speed wireless products and services. There was no news released to explain the sudden drop in price, but traders are remaining optimistic for a bounce. Let's move on to Allstate Property Holdings, symbol ATPT. They are involved in the procurement, development, and production of oil and natural gas. No news out for the day, and the equity fell 50% on over 269 million shares. Our third and final losing equity is iTalk Incorporated, symbol IKTO. They were up early in the day but fell victim to an unsuccessful power hour, ending the day flat on over 210 million shares. iTalk focuses on partnering services to create innovative communication solutions. Their last bit of news came out on February 14th when they appointed their first chief financial officer. Chat rooms exploded with news about Calypt Biomedical, symbol CBMC. The stock opened at 0.0079 and had a high of 0.0489 and a low of 0.0078. It launched just over 223% on close to 13 million shares before closing at 0.021. A press release yesterday announced the successful completion of a trial of a new HIV test. The trials were held in South Africa and the US, where the results showed an accuracy of 100%. Understand that these are just tests and don't actually cure HIV, but chatters were very excited about the news and subsequent rally. Technology and software acquisition company Tray Resources, symbol TYRIA, was another popular stock today. At the end of February, their subsidiary closed on a software sale valued at over $700,000. This is the largest transaction in the company's history. Since the news broke, the stock has been between a high of 0.0002 and a low of 0.001. Today was no exception, and it ended up staying flat on over 52 million shares to close the day at 0.0002. Our quote of the day comes from Johnny Boy 38, who said, "My stock won't bounce, but my checks will." Well, Johnny Boy, do us a favor and don't make any checks out to Simply Pennies. Time to check out our newsletter radar. We saw one newsletter pumping Intest Biomedical, symbol ENTB. The veterinary medicine company had big news yesterday when its cancer vaccine was given to a canine cancer patient. The patient is the first of the study, and 2 more dogs have been recruited for testing. This is great news for dog lovers, but stock lovers were not feeling the fire. After opening at $2.60, the stock fell over 3% on roughly 12,000 shares and closed at $2.58. We at Simply Pennies would like to send our well wishes to those sick puppies. Get well soon, Rover. 4 newsletters were pumping InfoSpy Incorporated, symbol ISPI. The company works to solve environmental challenges for international industries and governments. Yesterday, their subsidiary, an eco-friendly lighting company, signed a trademark license agreement. This news, however, did not translate well into the stock today. It opened at 0.035 and was down for most of the day, but ended up rallying to stay flat on over 219,000 shares. Sorry, InfoSpy, it looks like being green won't keep you out of the red, but here's a shiny gold trophy to ease your pain. Well, that's all for the show today, but the news continues on our website, simplypennies.com. As always, you can check us out on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Also, we want to be sure we are delivering on the information you crave. So if there's something you would like to see covered here at Around the Penny, send us an email. For Around the Penny, I'm Kat. Have a great night. iTalk focuses it. Oh my God, focuses.